Laxity. Not being careful or strict enough. His laxity in studying caused him to fail the test. The manager was unhappy with the workers' laxity. Internecine. Fighting among people from the same group. Internecine arguments weakened the team. The organization suffered because of internecine conflicts. Pugnacious. Always ready to argue or fight. The pugnacious boy often argued with his classmates. His pugnacious attitude caused problems wherever he went. Skewed. Not fair or not balanced. The news report was skewed because it only showed one side of the story. His opinion was skewed after listening to only one person. Indefatigable. Working hard without getting tired. She was an indefatigable teacher who always helped her students. His indefatigable efforts helped the team succeed. Pusillanimous. Not brave, easily scared. The pusillanimous student was afraid to speak in front of the class. He felt pusillanimous when facing a difficult challenge. Pervasive. Something that is found almost everywhere. Mobile phones are pervasive in today's world. The smell of fresh bread was pervasive throughout the bakery. Incessant. Continuing without stopping. The incessant rain made it difficult to go outside. Everyone was tired of the incessant noise from the construction site. Stringent. Very strict. The school has stringent rules about attendance. The airport follows stringent security checks for passengers. Lopsided. Uneven or not balanced. The table looked lopsided because one leg was shorter. The football match was lopsided because one team was much stronger. Ominous. Making you feel that something bad might happen. The dark clouds looked ominous before the storm arrived. There was an ominous silence in the room after the announcement. Evisceration. Removing the most important part of something. The budget cuts caused the evisceration of many useful programs. People worried about the evisceration of public services. Atrophy. To become weak because it is not used. Muscles can atrophy if a person stays in bed for a long time. His language skills began to atrophy after years without practice. Ossification. Becoming too fixed and unwilling to change. Ossification in the company made it hard to accept new ideas. The old system suffered from ossification and needed improvement. Moribund. Almost dead or no longer active. The old factory became moribund after losing all its customers. The project seemed moribund because nobody worked on it anymore. Epistemology. The study of how people learn and know things. Students learned about epistemology in their philosophy class. Epistemology asks how we know whether something is true. Zeitgeist. The ideas and feelings that are popular at a particular time. The movie captured the zeitgeist of modern society. Social media often reflects the zeitgeist of the younger generation. Dogmatism. Believing you are always right and refusing other ideas. His dogmatism made discussions difficult. Dogmatism can stop people from learning new things. Equivocate. To avoid giving a clear answer. He tried to equivocate when the reporter asked a difficult question. Stop equivocating and tell us what really happened. Recalcitrant. Refusing to obey rules or listen to advice. The recalcitrant student ignored the teacher's instructions. The manager struggled to deal with a recalcitrant employee. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.